Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's video is about a beautiful and a powerful topic: halal business ideas for women. How Muslim women can become self independent while earning halal income. This is not just about money, it's about confidence, dignity, barakah, and using the abilities Allah has given us. Many people think that Islam does not allow women to work. This is not true. Islam encourages women to learn, grow, and use their talents within halal boundaries. Remember, Khadijah Raziallah Ta'ala Anha was a successful businesswoman. Women in Islamic history were traders, teachers, scholars, nurses, and community leaders. Islam gives women the right to own property, run businesses, and keep their earnings. So, when a Muslim woman wants to earn halal income, she is walking in the footsteps of her honorable mothers of the Ummah. Self independence gives confidence, decision making power, financial stability, respect and self worth, ability to help the family, barakah in the home. Even small halal earnings bring blessings. Halal income means earned through honest work, no cheating, no lying, no forbidden products, no interest riba, no work that goes against Islamic values. When income is halal, barakah enters the home. Here are some respectful, comfortable, halal ways Muslim women can earn. First is tailoring and embroidery, designing, stitching, and decorating clothes from home. It's flexible, creative, and always in demand. The second, home based baking and cooking, selling cakes, snacks, pickles, and homemade meals. Perfect for women who enjoy cooking and want a low investment business. Third one, Islamic books and stationery business, selling Quran copies, tasbih, Islamic planners, hijab pins, and children's Islamic storybooks. Fourth, hijab and abaya boutique, designing or reselling modest fashion items like hijabs, abayas, niqabs, and long dresses can be run online or from home. Fifth, online teaching, teaching school subjects, Quran recitation, tajweed, English, maths, or sewing classes. Sixth, handicrafts and crochet work, making handmade items like crochet bags, blankets, keychains, wall decor, or gift hampers. Seventh, home based beauty and skincare, non invasive only. Henna application, natural skincare products, herbal oils, and simple self care services for women only. Eighth, digital services, graphic design, content writing, social media management, video editing, all from home with just a laptop or mobile. Ninth, small reselling business, reselling cosmetics, perfumes which are non alcoholic, modest wear, kids' clothing, or household items. 10th, daycare or home tuition, taking care of children or teaching small groups of students at home in a safe environment. 11. Home gardening or organic products, selling organic vegetables, herbs, indoor plants, or homemade herbal powders. 12th, halal food catering, providing halal tiffin services, party orders, and event catering for women functions only. So, begin your journey today with halal income, pure intention, and unshakable faith. Many women think, I'm not good enough, I'm not educated, I don't know where to start. Remind them, even small steps are steps forward. To every Muslim woman watching this, Allah has blessed you with intelligence, skills, and strength. Do not hide your abilities. Use them in a halal way. Use them to build your future. Use them to bring barakah in your home. Your income, no matter how small, is honored by Allah. Your effort is worship, and your hard work can change lives. If you want more videos on halal business ideas, step by step skills, motivational topics, Islamic lifestyle growth, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Jazakallah khair for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.